Yo, what is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be doing my unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo One Plus from BLU. Stay tuned. Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn this over. We do have some specifications on the back of the box. Obviously it says Vivo One Plus right here with a 5.9 inch HD plus 18:9 widescreen, a curved glass display, 720 by 1440p resolution. That's going to be 268 ppi. We also have a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 16 GB of internal memory, and 2 GB of RAM, a 13 megapixel rear and front-facing camera, both having flashes. We also have a fingerprint sensor, 4G LTE up to 150 megabits per second, micro SD card up to 64 GB, and we also have a 4000 mAh battery, Android 7.1 Nougat, and a metal housing design. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is actually one of the cooler boxes that I've seen from a phone manufacturer, so pretty nice impression so far. Let's go ahead and take off the top. Alright, so first and foremost, we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and put that aside. We have the IMEI and SIM card information. We have a SIM ejector tool right here. We have a bold like us sticker, pretty cool. We also have a case right here that they gave us, which is pretty awesome. It's a clear TPU case with on the back of it a frosted design, pretty nice. We also have a micro USB cable. We have some headphones that actually don't look too bad, to be honest. We have our wall charger right here. We have our quick start guide for the Vivo One Plus, and we have a dual SIM installation guide as well. They also give us a screen protector as well with this device, which is actually pretty dope. You get a case and a screen protector inside this box with the phone, and that is pretty much all that's in the box. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone. Alright guys, so first and foremost, we have the phone right here. Honestly, first impressions, device is pretty hefty, pretty heavy. We do have a 5.9 inch HD plus screen, as I said in the beginning, quad core, 16 GB internal, 2 GB of RAM, two 13 megapixel cameras, and a 4000 mAh battery, which should actually be pretty decent. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this screen protector off. Boom. Alright guys, so another thing that I saw right here is we actually have a screen protector on this device already. So if you guys don't like screen protectors, you can all obviously, take it off, but we do have a screen protector stock on this device, so that's pretty nice. But starting off, we have the headset on the top, we have the front-facing flash, we have the front-facing 13 megapixel camera, and we have our proximity light sensor as well by the flash. Taking a look at the back of the phone, we do have some instructions on how to input the SIM card, as well as how to input the micro SD card. We have our fingerprint sensor, our LED flash, and we have a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera that is actually protruding. Go ahead and take off this sticker. Right under the fingerprint sensor as well, we do have a BLU logo. Bottom of the phone, we do have our speaker as well as our noise cancelling mic. Top of the phone, little unorthodox, but we do have the micro USB port. And on the left side, we also have a 3.5mm head jack. Left side of the device, we have where we can eject our SIM card. And right side of the device, we have our power button and a spaced volume up and down rocker, which is pretty nice. But yeah, taking this phone into account so far, I honestly like the build. The build quality is very premium. I didn't think it was going to be this nice, but all aluminum alloyed body, glass screen, everything looks nice so far. Let's go ahead and turn on the phone. Awesome. So far the speaker is actually very loud and crisp, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so first impressions, I just turned on the device and I have to say the colors look really nice on this display. The colors are popping, they're very bright, everything looks very nice. I just downloaded a few of the applications, so as well as Snapchat and other stuff like that. But honestly, viewing angles are great as well. Viewing angles aren't bad at all. If we go ahead and go to the settings over here, we're going to take a look at what software we have. And we are offered Android 7.1.1 right here, as you guys see, for all you guys who love Nougat. But yeah, this is a stock Android experience, if you guys see right here. Pretty stock Android. As you guys see, swipe right for Google. Looks very nice though so far. Obviously we do get some of the bloatware on this device, but you can go ahead and uninstall that if you want to go ahead and do that. But so far this device is actually pretty decent. Now going into the camera application, we do have HDR on this device, so I'm gonna go ahead and test that out really quick. I'm gonna take a really short pic of this and see how this looks. So yeah, so far pictures are pretty crisp. We do have some other modes on here. We have beauty, we have video, we have panorama. So yeah, pretty nice. I'll go into detail on that in the full review. But yeah, so far I have to say the build is very premium. The screen is nice. You know, the phone seems to be performing decently. Obviously, we'll give you my full opinions and thoughts in the full review. But so far, phone has definitely surprised me and surpassed my expectations. But yeah, this phone's only $160. So, you know, BLU seems to be doing some good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy that unboxing. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the tech gang already. Also, turn on the notifications if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a video. But yeah, so far this phone has surprised me, and really excited to see what this brings to the table. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.